Well, look what we got delivered today, guys. A 1950's milk truck. We didn't just get the milk delivered, we got the milk truck delivered. And we're just going to attempt to drive this off the flatbed. This is going to be hilarious. I asked for some milk, not a milk truck.
Nope, you're getting the whole truck. Sorry.
You look pretty natural in there.
Yeah, I feel like a milkman.
Time to get this beast inside the shop.
All right, does anybody have any siblings that don't quite look like you? And you wondered, where did they get those genes? Well,
from the milkman.
From the milkman can.
In a recent DNA test conducted by FBI officials, a milk delivery man was found to have fathered over 800 children in California.
Oh my goodness, this thing is crazy.
Check this out.
You have no backup camera.
Oh no, you got the camera in your hand, bro.
Oh, okay. That'd be good. Wait, do you even have you don't have any mirrors, dude.
There's no mirrors, man.
Oh my gosh.
Milk trucks didn't need mirrors.
And you're backing it in or going frontwards?
No, I'm gonna go frontwards.
Okay, I was like, dude, you are the best.
Yeah, you're the best. How do you do it?
All right, we got to go in there.
All right, let's get a little gas. We gotta go up a hill.
Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Putt, putt.
That clutch pretty high.
You need a little bit of power steering fluid there?
That's it.
You got to get over the concrete.
Well, you gotta work within your torque curve.
The next day.
Well, it's weird that you caught me like this, but I've got this headlight in my hand for this older Divco here. So what we're doing is we're taking all of this green and it's gonna be a nice dark blue.
We'll pan out.
Show them the goods, Myra.
On the milk truck.
Yes, yes. And just in case you're wondering.
Hi.
This is Myra.
I'm Craig for today.
Yes, she's the Craig for
not
today.
Not as old, but.
Yes, so Myra herself is not yet going through her midlife crisis. However, one day she will. So why don't you show the viewers what we've got in there?
We have our wires, and
that's 3 R's, by the way. our wires. Our wires.
Yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is pull this cup out of here. No, you know what? Let's get up inside of it. There you go. Ooh, we better snap a picture of that so it goes back the right way.
Yeah.
Right? What do you say?
I think that you are correct.
Yes. Wonderful pictures.
Picture time. We're gonna give you a little tour while he's doing all that. Here is the milk truck. What is it called actually?
Divco.
Divco.
Your milk delivery is the only service that visits every inhabited street in every suburb every day.
Divco Milk Truck.
Here's your big seat. It looks like an office chair. It's really tall so that you could actually see over. All right. This is the big wheel, the boater wheel. I'm guessing. Oh my goodness.
Nope.
Nope, it's not there.
Gotta be a button somewhere.
Lights, wiper, horn. Oh wait, hold on. We gotta get it to focus. Go ahead.
We got no horn.
There we go. You hear the echo, because there was the only seat in here is this. He undid the wires.
Yes, and now we're gonna pop this ground off of here.
Okay, so update. We got the hood off.
Almost died.
Almost died doing it.
Yes.
Bro.
Yes, it opens 2 ways, so there is no good way to grab it. Unless you have another person with you, and even then it's difficult.
I once got to handle a Falcon and it was a lot simpler than this.
So we have taken out all of this so far.
Bits in our forefathers.
Now we are going for the fenders right now. But yeah, definitely if you are ever going to take off, if you ever get the chance to take off the hood on one of these, bring at least 2 other people because 2 people is not enough. You need 3.
You need 3.
Yeah.
We should have had 3.
We should have had 3.
We didn't scratch
It's all
anything.
Craig's fault, honestly.
Oh, yeah, yeah. All right, surprisingly clean truck, surprisingly dirty hands as well. Yeah, I guess that's what happens when you get your hand up fenders. So we've got this fender off. And if you'd like to see them, they're right over there. Don't point, it's rude.
Sorry.
There you go.
Nice, nice.
All right, so those are off. They're ready to get smoothed out, color changed, become beautified, and we're about to move on to the rear fenders.
And we're on. It's not a picture, it's a video.
Oh, we're recording.
Yes.
Oh, hey. All right, so first off, no, actually, lastly, we've got ourselves all set up here with a very stripped down Divco milk truck. Not quite boneyarded out, but we've got our hood, which we'll paint this center section.
Which is
Ow,
right
my
here.
knee.
Yeah, I heard that.
And then we'll also do the cubs, right?
Yes. Where are the cups?
Oh, they're in the back. You can see them right through there.
There are the cups.
There you go.
And then the fenders.
And the fenders.
Now what are we doing right now?
Loading stuff up. We gotta go get some moving blankets.
Yes.
Wrap,
Because this thing opens weirdly, and we don't know how to place it, so we need to get cushion
Yeah,
for
this
it.
thing's very, very strange.
Yeah.
Hi!
We are packing all of the fenders and the hood. We packed it all into the car. Let's go show. Here's our packing job. I think we did pretty good, honestly. Honestly. Anyways, that's it. And we will be back with the finished paint job.